Hello, guys. It's your boy Romeo with another challenge for the CKA. Like I said before, I'm trying to pass this CKA exam here in a couple weeks, and I'm working on storage. I want to get really good at storage because it could be a little bit confusing. So I'm good with like 50% of it, but storage is one that I want to get down, and I just want to kill this exam. So I'm here with another KillerCoda.com, I guess, lab or task for the CKA that could help you. And this one is going to be about storage, volumes, and all that good stuff. So this one is going to be about persistent volumes and persistent volume claims and storage classes. Should be easy, right? Could be. So for the first question, please set this context in exam. So we got to set this. Already does it. If you click on it, really good. And KillerCoda is a free, it's a free website where you can practice for the CKA, CKS, and the CKAD exam. So here we go. Your task involves setting up storage components in a Kubernetes cluster. Follow these steps. Step number 1, create a storage class named Blue SCT CKA with the following properties. Right, so storage classes, you can go real quick over here, and you basically you can skip the rest. You can just go right here, right? But before that, I just want to provide with this name. That's the name. So then we can go to Vim because I don't use Nano. I am fancy like that now. Actually, let me go ahead and just quit this guy because I want it to be a YAML file. Of course, YAML file. We can go ahead and copy this, paste it in here. So all we need is the name, right? We don't need these mount options. We can go ahead and delete it. Allow volume expansions, we don't need it. Reclaim policy, nothing to mention about that. We do need that. Annotations, we don't need it. So let's go ahead and insert right here. So the name is going to be Blue SCT CKA. The provisioner needs to be the no provisioner. Okay, so we can go copy that right here. Looking good, and we can go ahead and save it. We can say k create a file, go blue. So if we do k get sc, we can see that it has been created over here. So moving on, step 2, create a persistent volume named. So here's the name that they want to give it. So I can just go to Vim, YAML, that's your bad boy capacity, the yada yada yada. So we can go ahead and go press over here, and on this right side we can go to persistent volumes, and this one needs to be a what? This guy needs to be a local path. Okay, see if we can find local path in here. Local path, nothing about local path. Really? Local? Okay. Local volume, I guess what they call it now. Okay, here we go. Host path, local. Let's click over here. This one will give you a really good example. And you also need to set node affinity to create this PV on the control plane. Okay. So we can go ahead and we will need node affinity. So we need to copy all this thing. I'm going to show you how you can find that node affinity. But before we do anything, let's go ahead and create or add the path. That's going to go over here. Right, the storage class is going to be this Blue SCT CKA. The persistent volume reclaim policy is going to be retain. Okay, rewrite once. That is correct for the access. File system is RI. This one is going to be MI, capital M. Remember, it's capital M, or it's going to give you an error. That's just how it is. And the name, Blue PV CKA. Let's see if everything is good. Everything is good. We just need to match okay, the host, so the node affinity host name in. Over here, we want to replace this with control plane. Retain, the storage class is good. The path is good. Retain, read write once, and capacity is 100. And here's the name. So we're good to go. WQ, come on. And then Q, create blue. Why do I always forget the F? Blue PV, created, K, get PV. Here it is created. So that is good. So now we need to go ahead and create this PVC, or persistent volume claim. And we want to name it this guy. So let's go ahead and do vim, no nano. Who uses nano anyways? That's for people that don't know how to use Linux, right? Yeah, sure. Rewrite once. Okay, so persistent volume claim. Focus. Where am I? Volumes. It should be in here somewhere. Persistent volume claims. And we want to do this guy right here. Where's my persistent volume claim? Persistent volume claim. This is a pod. I don't want a pod. I want a persistent volume claim. Where are you? Persistent volume claim. Persistent volume claim. This is what it is. Come on, guys. Really, I want persistent volume claim. And all I get is a pod, which I don't need. What's going on over here? I just want a persistent volume claim. Why is it so hard? Can you guys tell me? Am I in the wrong one? Storage persistent volume claim. Let's go to persistent volumes. Persistent volume claim as volumes. There we go. Persistent volume claims. There we go. Was I in the wrong one? I guess I was. All right, so we need to copy from here all the way up. We're gonna paste that bad boy in here. Now for the storage class name, it's going to be blue SCT CKA. Storage is going to be FIDI, capital MI. All right, rewrite once is correct. The volume should be bound to blue PVCKA. Okay. Create a persistent volume claim. Here's a name that we need. Of course we do. Okay, so read write once, storage, and blue SCT CKA. So this should match this PV, and it should bound the PVC and the PV, right? They should, form a bound. So, but it says for here, the volume should be bound to blue PV. I think, where did I see that before? Volume cloning, no. Volume spider. We have a bunch of, oh my God, 300. No, that's not what we need. Let's go ahead and persistent volume typed. Okay, raw volume modes, access modes, type of persistent volume, expanding, reserving, persistent volume. Maybe it's around here. Binding. Let's go to binding. Using storage by yada yada yada. Volume mounts. Oh, I think I remember now. I think it's volume name. Value name. There we go. So this is on the reserving persistent volume. So we need to add this to our persistent volume claim, and that should do it. That should do it, guys. So all the way at the bottom. Because, oh, what did I do? No. Oh, I should switch to nano. No, I'm not. Okay, so the volume name. So the way that we should bound this to this guy is by just manually adding the blue PVCKA. All right, that's how you do it. So this PVC named blue PVC CKA, we want to manually bound it to the to the blue PVC CKA, right? And I can just show you guys. I'm going to comment this out and let's see what happens if I don't do this, right? WK. And let's go ahead and just create this guy. So create or K, create F, right? And if you do go get K, get let's say PV, the PV you can see that is retained available, so it is available. There is no bound. If we go to PVC, it is pending right now. It hasn't bound to a PV, right? So that didn't work. So what we could do, right, since I told you what you needed to do, you can do a K delete PVC, and we can delete the blue PVC, right? And now if I go to vim blue PVC, and in here we can uncomment this bad boy, and now it should work because we are manually bounding the blue PVC CKA, right? This blue PVC CKA to the blue PV CKA, aka we are bounding this persistent volume claim name blue PVC CKA to a persistent volume called blue PV CKA, and we are doing this manually because they're basically telling you right there. They're telling you, but they're not telling you, but they are actually telling you. That's what I'm telling you. All right, that's a lot of telling you. And we can do K create. I forgot the F again. PVC CKA. Bam, that has been created. K get PVC. It's still pending. It's still pending. What did I do wrong? PVC. Oh, there we go. I just took a little bit. Oh man, I got scared for a little bit, guys. So we got the PVC, we got the PV, which has now it has been claimed, right? This persistent volume has been claimed by the blue PVC CKA. That blue PVC CKA was like, you're mine, because I was manually added in this YAML file to just go out there and get you. So therefore, they have formed a bound. Let's go ahead and check this bad boy, and we get validation successful. Dun, 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 dun. Only took 12 minutes. Hey, I'm getting good. I'm getting better. And how much was this worth? Let me go and do a restart. Was this worth a lot or not? It usually tells you the weight. At least like 10, man. Let's go ahead and start. Only 8. Oh my God, that was a lot of work, man, for only 8. Okay, I guess I'll take that. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys love this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button. Share this video. Share with everybody. Share on Twitter, X, Facebook, MySpace, Hi-Fi, Reddit, everywhere. Thank you guys for watching, like always, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye, guys.